If you're an aerial photographer and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you certainly are in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that, build a website for your business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and quickly search for my markets. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that template aerial photographer. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds with the information I've just provided. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some absolutely stunning images that you've taken in your business. You want to showcase them on your website so your customers can see. But I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make some minor amendments to your Mighty Sites website. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web professional of any kind, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my company email address. I want to make sure that email is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here, which is click to call, by the way. If you've got a physical location for your business, if you're strictly online or mobile, leave the address out. But if you do have one, your customers can click on that address when your website is live and it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your business. Under update social links, you can pop in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and update that logo so your website looks even more professional. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, frames, go ahead and click on that little pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right, you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you want to change the colors used throughout your website as well that were pre-selected, you can do so. No color coding needed. Click on the little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use to suit your business. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Over here, you can browse your device and upload your own awesome shots you've taken. Otherwise, search through the photo library if you're just starting out and you want to use some of these photos. Absolutely fantastic, all completely free to use. Over here, you can change the button to suit your business needs. It can link to various places. Maybe you take online booking, so link to another website to set up a calendar booking perhaps. Otherwise, link to an action, click to core directions. You can as well upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your rates and various services you offer. Look at that, looks absolutely fantastic. In the last section over here, you can go ahead and put in an action button. You can update your location again if you need to. Otherwise, update your hours, maybe your specific hours that you work. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, go ahead and click that button. Otherwise, if you want to purchase your own domain, go ahead and click on that button to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your aerial photography business, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.